needed to do to complete for school before we enroll tomorrow. Right now, I will be working on my writing project on a novel that I wish to complete this year, like at least the first draft. I am working on my novel. No, I've worked on a lot of projects, but I've never gotten to the point where I finished the first draft. But I hope that's going to change this year. I have a writing project here that I want to complete the first draft by the end of the year. But before I do that, I have to do a few things before I actually write the first draft. I am planning out the story, the plot, the characters, the setting. I have to clear that all out, or give myself a decent background on the story, the plot, the characters, and the settings before I actually write the first draft. If I do not have a good if I don't have a good background about those elements, I can't write, I can't bring myself to write a first draft. So I need to do that. I'm using the snowflake method by Randy Ingermanton, an author. I'm using that method to plan and brainstorm my project. This project is called Project Time. Now I won't be giving out details on what the plot is, who the characters are, and what's it all about. But I'm just sharing it to you guys that I'm working on it. So right now I've finished steps 1 to 5. I finished step 5, supper wincha, before we went home. Now I'm going to work on step 6, which is creating a 4-page plot synopsis.
What's up? This one's called You're No Fun. It's gonna suck. That's okay. I can tell that the ocean's bored by the way that she does her hair. And I swear I can feel the moon do sing. This isn't going anywhere. Still I've tried to make you mine, but your mind, it was on the run. You're no fun.
Yes,
You ain't
it's
that
the
fun.
bridge.
I got a little bit of news for you. Do you even know my name?
But can you take a path that has no bridge?
No, we choose the bridge. This was the tree I hugged noon. Oh my gosh, you're so lucky na.
You look more to me. I'm beginning to think that lately, maybe, baby, but you don't care. And I swear, I can tell when your wheels are turning and just going to be fair. Still, I've tried to make you mine, but your mind, it was on the run.
Hindi ko alam yung lyrics eh. Hotdog, hotdigiri dog lang yung alam ko. Hotdog, hotdigiri dog. I was a girl in the village too, and alright. And I became a princess of it.
You're no fun, you ain't that fun. I got a little bit of news for you. Do you even know my name?
I made it out. I made it out.
You look more to me.
Good morning, people. Kamusta ang walk mo today?
I'm sabog. Can't you see? I'm sabog now.
Bakit nagpo-pretty eyes ka?
Ganda ng lashes ko.
Excited na akong kumain ng Jacob.
Sheesh.
I am so not ready to go back to school. It always feels weird when you're from an academic break or just vacation from school, and then you go back to school. It feels weird all the time, seeing the faces you once see almost every day, and now you're going to see them again. Really weird meeting people that you already know again. Maybe because the majority of your break all you've met are people within your family or maybe your close friends, but people you actually meet every day that don't really consider biologically, at least, your family or even close friends. It feels weird seeing them again. Going back to school next week on Tuesday. I will have a face-to-face class on Tuesday. And physically maybe I am prepared. Mentally, a little, maybe it's up there. I definitely forgot the things that I've learned during the first semester, but I'm ready to learn again. Emotionally, 50-50. Like, I don't feel ecstatic that we're going back to school, but I also don't feel sad that we're going back to school. I think the biggest part is not ready. Socially, I am not ready. Really. You feel kind of afraid, though that's not the right word, but that's all I could think of right now. Feel kind of afraid seeing those familiar faces again, but when you see them, it goes back to normal. I don't know, it's some weird thing.